Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I was watching a video that my bro, Mr. BC Jerbs, did. We were harvesting fatwood from a stump. And I brought my axe with me, hoping I could do the same. Maybe get a little fatwood out of this. So we'll take a look at this tree here, or stump here. And I don't want to hack it up too badly, but let's see what we can get, if we can get anything. So I'm just gloving up right now. I got my little hatchet, the Fiskers hatchet. Hopefully no one comes along and gets all butthurt from hacking up a stump, but it's got some that's not fatwood. That's not fatwood at all. It feels sturdy enough. As you can see, there doesn't appear to be any fatwood. There's no smell of turpentine at all. It could be a western red cedar. It's putting up a fair amount of resistance to being hacked at, I'll tell you that. I'm not getting any fatwood, so I may try another log, another stump, see if I get lucky. Well, we have ourselves another stump, but I feel like this one's a little too far gone. Sorry, spider. No, oh yeah. How awkward would it have been? Have a little squirrel chipmunk come flying out at me like, "Rah!" I get my attention. Yeah, it's too far rotted. Probably the next one I see. Here we have another one, but I think it's the same case. A little too far gone. I think if the wood is like this, it's a no-go. Make great punk wood though. Probably about 1 million fires, easy. She's purty though, I'll tell you that. Real purty. There's another one, but it's too old. Although it has living trees on top of it, growing out of it, probably feeding off of it. But yeah, I think it's too far gone too. I mean, there might be something more down inside the core, but I don't want to rip apart half a stump just to get some fatwood. I mean, it's not really cool to the other hikers either, so, you know, if out in the middle of the national forest, you know, maybe, because, you know, I'm right on trail here, and I don't want to just go hacking into it. Whew. Get a little sweat worked up. Good thing. I should get some water soon too. See another stump I want to check first. Oh, here's another one. Fortunately, it's the same thing as the other one. I'm seeing a real pattern here. I just saw a garter snake too, crawling away. Probably out sunning himself. Sorry, little buddy, didn't mean to interrupt your basking, but this is where the trail leads. This is where I'm going. It's another one. Too far gone, but I just thought I'd share because it's I dig stuff like this. He's I want to say hemlock tree, just by the bark. Trying to remember the full name of it. I just love how it's growing around the stump. It's been doing it for a while too. See another one over here. Another hemlock tree growing up out of a stump, but let's check this wood. Maybe we'll get lucky. Finally find something. I almost fall over. Nah, nothing. Can't smell anything. As I'm bringing it up to my face, it was like I brought it up, but I had knocked all the crumbs off, so everything just like good times. See all the foliage and colors. That stump I just stopped at. It's kind of an interesting trail because the trail is literally right here and goes around the stump. Then it kind of heads over, snakes all the way around back to this position. So there's only like a little bit of just a little bit of foliage between me. I think right here people have just been walking through, cutting through. So I haven't seen anybody yet either. I know this place is popular, and I know there's a bunch of people out at the trail because the whole trail parking lot was full. But I haven't seen a single person on this section of trail, which is pretty nice. I had the place to myself. Money. Well, no luck on the Fatwood today, but maybe if I see a stump on my way out, because I know I'm almost back to the highway because I can hear it. It's getting louder. So when I learn how to speak, I'll actually close this video properly. But maybe I'll try this again at another time. Check some stumps, see if we can get lucky with some Fatwood. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.